We've even seen some people even going to the extent of killing their neighbors or their loved ones for a piece of land. So what has the church done to address these issues, because they are societal issues at the end of the day?
Okay, thank you. I think the first thing is answer the lady lawyer that what I meant by being expensive is relative to the incomes that people are generating, especially in the rural areas.
Yes.
Because if you look at the per capita income in the rural areas and the kind of fees that have already been set under the Law Societies Acts, it is very expensive for them. And I repeat, it's very expensive because we look at how much those households earn. So we would look at maybe when they are launching the working group to look at that situation of fees so that we can accommodate especially the very poor people who have been unable even to go to court because of the expense, even filing documents. It is now the digital platform has come. But before they had to go through long distances to come in and file documents. So if there is a way that we can create a fee structure that fits even the lower group, that would be very good. Now, in terms of the interventions that the church is making today, is to counsel. We are counseling the people who are in crises, the families that are fighting. We are talking to them in terms of to understand that inheritance, how that inheritance can be monetized, how it can work for all of them, how we can unlock that value which is in the courts and help them even to develop, to borrow, and also to share that inheritance among the families. Yes, it's a challenge, but at times you find what I keep on saying is like a demon in issues of land. But we know we have handled quite a number of cases, and they're understanding the value of that land and how it can help the families going forward and their children's children. So the interventions are there. We're speaking to them. We handle small seminars, small conferences. We call lawyers. We call people, let's say, from the KRA to discuss with them and to show them how do we monetize that value, and how do we exit from those problems of disagreements on division, on who is who, on matters of the will, because we also have challenges are basically on the will itself. The way the wills are structured, the way the wills again are contested by the members of the family, the way even the legal fraternity also, joins and works, and in the changes that certain families want the legal documents, the wills to be changed. So we're also talking to them about how do they legalize the document called a will, and what is the effect of a will. So we have those interventions. We are talking to them. We are pulling them. We are putting them and saying, look here, this is an investment opportunity I'm missing in this season that you can pull even within a family, build and still share the revenues, the profits. So instead of taking a third or 50% of 100, you can build that and have an elephant and still share and be able to recover, even increase the value that you recover from an investment. So that's a new paradigm shift that we are talking to them. That why sell, why divide a quarter of an acre, let's go to a bank, let's raise this asset, let's build, let's generate, build 410 apartments. You take an apartment which is the value of that, of maybe small pieces of land that you can have. So we are discussing with that with the members. We are looking also at the church, also building up those investment structures that will be, we're looking at the legal interpretation. That they are not just a chama, it's a legal vehicle that will pack that asset so that the members that are fighting can see value, and we are able to unlock that value for them to benefit.